Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Girish Goyal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, School of Agriculture, IIT University, Gwalior. Student, I hope you all are good and stay at home safely. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग घर पे होंगे, सुरक्षित होंगे. Student, today I am going to start our subject Agron 514 Agronomy of Major Field Crops Kharif for MSc Agronomy 3rd semester. Students, so let's start our topic about cultivation of sesame crop part 3. इससे पहले पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 लेके आया था, ये पार्ट 3 है. Students, I will introduce all content one by one. And first NPK requirement, next water management, next critical stage for irrigation, scheduling irrigation, weed management, harvesting and threshing, outcome then references. Students, before starting the topic, I want to tell you about some introduction and history of sesame crop. Okay, so students, हम थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. ठीक है. So students, Sesame indica is the oldest indigenous oilseed crop with longest history of cultivation in India. Students, the crop is grown in almost all parts of the country. More than 85% production of sesame comes from West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Students, sesame or jingli is commonly known as till Hindi, Punjabi, Assam, Bengali, Marathi, tal, Gujarati, niblu, manchi niblu, Telugu, ilu, Tamil, Malayalam in the different part of India. Students, sesame jingli is commonly known as till Hindi, Punjabi. ये डिफरेंट तरह के नामों में इनको बोला जाता है. तरह तरह के स्टेट में तरह तरह के नामों से बोला जाता है. Students, sesame seeds contain 50% oil and 25% protein and 15% carbohydrate. It is used to baking, candy making and other food industries. Students, it is an integral part of rituals, regionals and culture. Students, the main reason of either properly is they have many health promoting nutrients and elements. The world produces about 3 million tons of sesame seeds every year. Myanmar, India, China, Sudan and Tanzania and the key production accounting for 70% of the total production. Students, sesame is a warm weather crop which mostly grows in tropical and subtropical areas up to an elevation to about 1200 meter. These conditions require specific plant performance which making it capable for thriving despite the challenging environmental. There are different benefits of sesame crop. Sesame is a good source of protein and helps in the preventing diabetes. Sesame is a help reduce blood pressure and lower and cholesterol levels. Sesame it is good for digestion and the elevates anemia. Sesame protects the liver from the hazards of alcohol consumption. Students, sesame it prevent wrinkles and the help in the bone health and also preventing osteoporosis. Students, it is protect the heart and balance the hormone in our body. Students, it is found to be super food during pregnancy of the winter months. Students, it is useful of fighting cancer. Sesame has a burn fat and is therefore good for weight wages. Students, it is a good source of vitamin and minerals. Students, sesame boost nutrient absorption is the in the body. There is sesame crop history. Sesame is one of the oldest cultivated plant in the world. It was a highly prized oil crop. Babylon and the Assyria and at least 4,000 4,000 year ago. Today, India and China are the world largest produce of the sesame, followed by Burma, Sudan, Mexico, Nigeria, Turkey, Eastern and Ethiopia. World production in 1985 was at 2.53 million tons or 16.3 million acres. Students, sesame was introduced to the United States in the world in 1930. Domestic production has been limited because the lack in cultivation that can be harvested machinery. In 1987, the sesame acreage in the country was less than 2,500 acre, about the half of the which we receive the taxes. Student, US imports about 40,000 tons of the seed and 2,200 tons of the sesame oil manually primarily from Southern America. Students, upon ripping sesame capsule split, releasing the seeds because these seeding characteristic sesame has been the grow primarily on small plots that are harvested by hands. Okay, so students, sesame sesame is the ancient oilseed crop of the India and also an important agricultural export commentary in the India. Third sesame is the cultivated in one or more season, Kharif and Rabi, nearly 75% of annual acreage, and production come from Kharif crop June November with an objective of assessment of the production of the sesame from Kharif 2019 crop. Extensive crop survey was carried out during the harvesting period of four major sesame grow states that is Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat in India. Between 5 teams moved across the sesame growing region in interviewed 1,017 sesame farmers in 1545 districts across these four states for the information at the stakeholder in the export trade. A brief presentation of the estimates. Okay. So students, Kharif 2019 All India sesame acreage was the 13,007 1 lakh 37,000 1700 hectare, 4 states: Gujarat 8% and Uttar Pradesh 30%, Rajasthan 20% and Madhya Pradesh 23%. Jointly accounted for 85% of the national acreage at the national level. There was on increase in areas by 4% of expert of the Kharif 18. Students, the decreasing observation of the Madhya Pradesh was quite large 29%. However, increase in Gujarat 49% and Uttar Pradesh 26% were substantial. Okay, so students, a majority season of the farmers 30 to 75% onward farm the land is small than the 2 hectare, and the national level of the peak period of sowing was at 23 June to 13 July. The during 16 January to 13 July, the in Rajasthan 70% as well as in MP Madhya Pradesh 61%. While it was during 16 June to 20 July in UP 79%. Students, most farmer proceed seed from the local vendors and some use their home ground seeds. Okay, so students, this is generally introduction and history. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा, फर्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा NPK. ओके, तो आइए हम लोग देखते हैं NPK. Okay, so students in India system respond to applied nitrogen and phosphorus. However, the degree of response to these new nutrients depend upon the total rainfall, its distribution during the crop season. Response to nitrogen is up to 60 kg hectare. Split application of nitrogen half at seedling and the remaining around 35 days is ideal placement of nitrogen. Improve the yield over broadcasting. Student, response of the system to phosphorus depend on the rate of the nitrogen application depending on the level of the soil phosphorus. 15 say 30 kg P2O5 per hectare seems to be adequate under most suitable situations. So most situations soil deficient in the potassium response to around 20 kg K2 per hectare. Placement of fertilizer at the seedling using seed drill is more effective than broadcast application. Recommended fertilizer schedule for system given given in the table. So this is NPK requirement. Students, next table recommended fertilizer schedule for system crop. Student, they are different state and they are recommended schedule for different NPK and different state. Okay, so first state आंध्र प्रदेश. ओके, आंध्र प्रदेश में तेलंगाना एरिया से स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे हम लोग NPK रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं. कितना रिकमेंडेड है? 40 N है. ओके, एंड P2 कितना? ये भी 40 है. K2 कितना? ये 20 है. और बचा और स्टूडेंट जो हाफ हमारा नेट यानी N इज 2 इक्वल स्प्लिट एट सीडलिंग एंड 30 days. ओके, फिर सेकेंड स्टेट हमारा है गुजरात. ओके स्टूडेंट, गुजरात पहले खरीफ एंड सेमी रबी 2 सीजन. स्टूडेंट्स, रबी में खरीफ में हम लोग देखेंगे NPK कितना 30, 25 एंड 0 यहाँ पे रिकमेंड कर सकते. स्टूडेंट, ये मतलब कहने का मेरा बताने मतलब है इन स्टेट में इस तरह हम लोग मतलब फर्टिलाइजर NPK रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं या वहाँ पे ग्रो होता है. सेमी रबी, ठीक है स्टूडेंट, कहते 25, 0, ठीक है. फिर स्टूडेंट्स आता है मध्य प्रदेश में, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, मध्य प्रदेश में 40 N 30 P2O5 एंड 0 K2O एंड 25 kg जिंक सल्फेट ZnSO4 once in 3 years. ओके, सो दिस इज मध्य प्रदेश. फिर नेक्स्ट है महाराष्ट्र. कितना NPK है? 50-0-0. स्टूडेंट्स, हाफ नाइट्रोजन 21 days एंड द अदर हाल 14 days. ओके, 2 स्प्लिट डोज है. फिर राजस्थान है, इसमें हैवी सॉइल्स एंड लाइट सॉइल. ओके स्टूडेंट, इसमें कितना नाइट्रोजन रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं? 20-0 एंड लाइट सॉइल में 40-25-0. ठीक है, फिर हम इसी का थोड़ा पार्ट्स नेक्स्ट टेबल में है. स्टूडेंट, उड़ीसा हुआ हमारे यहाँ रिकमेंड करने 30-20-20. सो स्टूडेंट, दे आर डिफरेंट स्टेट एंड डिफरेंट NPK रिकमेंडेड और डिफरेंट स्टेट. हम तरह तरह के मतलब कहने का मतलब ये हम NPK रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं डिफरेंट स्टेट में कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट में किसके स्टेट में हम लोग रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं. तो ये मैं आपको बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, जैसे तमिलनाडु में आ गया, इसके अंदर इरीगेटेड रेनफ्री कंडीशन में 35 N है, P2O5 20 है, K2O कितना है? 20 है. तो तरह तरह ऐसे उत्तर प्रदेश में 20-10-0 है. ठीक है, इंटायर डोज ऑफ सीडलिंग. तो स्टूडेंट, दे आर डिफरेंट स्टेट. ओके, सो दिस इज फर्टिलाइजर. ओके, NPK रिक्वायरमेंट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट हमारी टेबल है स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट टेबल है हमारी वाटर मैनेजमेंट. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, वाटर मैनेजमेंट. स्टूडेंट्स, except when cultivated during Rabi season, season receive any irrigation. Nevertheless, protective irrigation will greatly benefit the rainfed crop. Whenever there are prolonged dry spelling, especially on light soil, yield advantage up to the 200% due to supplement irrigation has been reported. So this is water management. Next content, students, critical stage for irrigation. Okay, so students, for Rabi summer season a pre-sowing irrigation is necessary for optimal seed generation and adequate stand establishment, provided soil moisture is an adequate though at the time of seedling flower initiation. Initiation a capsular filling stage or are most sensitive to use and water deficient. So this is critical stage for irrigation. Next content है scheduling irrigation. Okay, so students आइए देखते हैं scheduling irrigation. Students, scheduling irrigation at 15% and adequate in irrigation. If irrigation are scheduled based on IW upon CPE ratio. Students, इसका मतलब होता है IW मीन्स होता है इरिगेशन वाटर और CPE का मतलब हो गया कम्युलेटिव पेन एवेपोरेशन रेशियो. अगर कोई पूछता है तो आप इसको बता सकते हो. ठीक है, रेशियो ऑफ 0.6 इज ऑप्टिमम अंडर मोस्ट situations depending on the soil type of weather condition and crop duration. Students, irrigation may be given once in 12 to 15 days if irrigation water is not a limiting factor. Flower initiation, maximum flower are and capsule filling the result on optimum seed yield. Student, depending on the duration season water requirement range between 350 and 450 mm. The crop is usually irrigated by check basin method irrigation. So this is scheduling irrigation. Next students, weed management. ओके, तो हम लोग आइए देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स वीड मैनेजमेंट. तो स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट है कल्चर मैनेजमेंट. So students, sesame is just sensitive to wheat competition during the first 15 से 35 days. A minimum of 2 weeding of one after 15 days and another 35 days are required to keep the field relatively weed free. Students, row seeded crop facilities use of blade harrowing for intercultivation. Student, 2 intercultivation 15 and 35 days followed by one hand weeding keeps the field free of weeds. So this is culture management. Next students, use of herbicide. Okay, students, herbicide use especially under rainfed condition is very limited due to low yield, which may not not compensate for the cost of herbicide. Is if necessary alcohol 1.0 or thiocarbon 0.2.0 can be used of pre-spray for the effective control of weeds. Students, use of pre-herbicide followed by on hand weeding around 30 days in the most appropriate way of weed management in sesame. So students, this is use of herbicide. Next content students, harvesting and threshing. So like first harvesting. Students, depending on the variety sesame crop take 80 to 150 days for maturity. The crop is harvested with the leaves, stems and capsule being to turn yellow and the lower leaves start scheduling to prevent scheduling of seed. Student, the crop should be not become dead ripe in the field. The ripe plants are cut the allowed the ground level of the acquired to the threshing yard is stretched for a week in the sun with the cut ends upward. So this is harvesting. Next is threshing. Students, during the sun-dried process, the capsular crack open with the dried seeds failure on the threshing floor. The seed still remaining in the capsule can be easily removed by shaking the dried stem. In case remove some of the seed in the still remaining with the capsular. Students, it can be removed by beating with wooden stake, winnowing and cleaning is the carried out to flowering following the common procedures. The clean seed is the stored with seed moisture content not more than 8%. So this is threshing. Students, average grain yield under rain-free condition as sole crop range between 200 and 400 kg per hectare. Students, irrigated summer season can yield up to 600 kg per hectare. Student, there are instances of harvesting yield up to 800 to 800 kg per hectare under rainfall condition with good management practices. Students, under irrigation condition yield up to 1500 kg per hectare are not uncommon. Students, a well managed commercial season crop has yield around 3.0 ton per hectare in Southern America. So students, this is threshing. Next, outcome. Students, depending upon the cultivar, the crop mature is 75 to 150 days after sowing. Some seeds have both nutritional and medicinal value because they are rich in fat, protein, carbohydrates, fiber and essential minerals. So this is outcome. So students, next references. Okay, and next is students, then thank you. So students, this topic is finished. Cultivation of शीशम क्रॉप पार्ट 3. इससे पहला पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 था, ये पार्ट 3 है. तो इसका आपको LMS पे आपका वीडियो, नोट्स, PPT और LMS के रिगार्डिंग अभी आपका वेबिनार में लूँगा. तो 4 पार्ट्स में टॉपिक आपका कवर हो जाएगा. बस आई होप आप इसे अच्छे से एक बार और पढ़ें, वीडियो देखें. कहीं अगर डाउट लगे तो बिल्कुल पूछिएगा. ठीक है, तो दिस टॉपिक इज़ फिनिश. कल्टीवेशन ऑफ शीशम क्रॉप पार्ट 3. ओके, इस टॉपिक में 3 पार्ट्स है, पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.